Have you ever watched a close call on the road and wished you had proof? That's exactly why so many drivers are installing dash cams, and one model keeps showing up at the top of the bestseller charts. Today, I'm reviewing the ROVE R2-4K Dual dash cam and showing you why so many people believe it's one of the best values you can buy in 2026. The first thing that stands out is the dual camera setup. You get a front camera that records in sharp 4K and a rear camera that captures what's happening behind your vehicle. That means you're covered from both directions, whether you're dealing with a rear-end collision, a parking lot incident, or someone making a false claim after an accident. More video angles usually mean stronger evidence. Video quality is where this dash cam really shines. The 4K front camera captures fine details like road signs and license plates much better than lower-resolution cameras. At night, the image stays surprisingly clean thanks to improved low-light performance. No dash cam can make every plate readable in total darkness, but this one does a solid job when there's normal street lighting or headlights. Another feature I like is the built-in GPS. Every recording can include your speed and location, giving extra context if you ever need to review footage. The built-in Wi-Fi also makes life easier because you can connect your phone, preview videos, and download clips without removing the memory card every time. The parking mode adds another layer of protection. If your vehicle is bumped while parked, the camera can automatically record the event when properly installed with the required hardware kit. That's a feature many drivers don't think about until they actually need it. Installation is also beginner-friendly. The front camera mounts to the windshield, the rear camera runs to the back of the vehicle, and the menus are simple enough that you won't spend an hour trying to figure out the settings. I still recommend taking a few minutes to adjust the video resolution, loop recording, and sensitivity so the camera works the way you want. No product is perfect. To get the most from this dash cam, you'll want a high-endurance microSD card designed for continuous recording. Regular memory cards can wear out much faster because dash cams record almost non-stop. Make sure you check the Amazon link in the description below for the current deals on the ROVE R2-4K Dual dash cam. If you've used the ROVE R2-4K Dual, or you're thinking about buying one, tell me about your experience or ask your questions in the comments. If this review helped you understand what makes a great dash cam, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.